Alright, another unboxing video. So this is a multi-item unbox, so let me grab the next thing out of the box. And box. So this is a solar powered fountain. And you could use this just about anywhere. There's no sun right now, so I can't demonstrate it, but okay, so thank you card. There's the parts. Let me bring those by the screen. You'll have to pause your screen to read those, and then we'll do the same with the back. So yeah, it's dark out right now, so I can't demonstrate this, but bag of accessories, some loose components. I'm surprised they're not in the bag. And then this side would appear to be your solar cell, and water, I would imagine, is gonna shoot through there. It's got to be some kind of pump here. One of these things is a pump, and or this is a device to change the could be a battery in there, could be not only a battery but the ability to take the solar energy and turn it into electrical energy. So but yeah, not a whole lot to this. We will eventually get it up and working and do another video. Thanks for checking out this video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.